Your kitchen might be small, but after this video, it's about to feel a whole lot smarter. Today's lineup is packed with those ridiculously satisfying Amazon gadgets for tiny kitchen and small countertops that save counter space, simplify cooking, reduce clutter, and somehow make tiny kitchens feel more high-end at the same time. We're talking clever organizers, compact appliances, and smart little upgrades that solve everyday annoyances. And as always, all the products are linked below in the description. So let's get started. Beginning with one of the smartest tiny kitchen upgrades, this electric food recycler helps reduce food waste without needing a bulky outdoor compost setup. Instead of throwing scraps into trash bins that create smells and clutter, the compact machine dries and breaks food waste down into odorless material much more cleanly. The sealed design works especially well in apartments or smaller kitchens where garbage smells build up quickly. It's a surprisingly modern solution that makes kitchens feel cleaner and more efficient every single day, usually priced around $300 to $600. Moving on with a coffee lover's favorite, this adjustable electric coffee grinder delivers fresher flavor while handling much more than just coffee beans. Instead of relying on pre-ground coffee that loses freshness quickly, the adjustable grinding system lets you customize texture for espresso, drip coffee, or French press setups. It also works with spices, herbs, and nuts, making it useful beyond coffee stations alone. The time memory adjustment adds convenience during busy mornings while keeping countertops cleaner and more organized, usually priced around $50 to $120. Rolling into a surprisingly useful kitchen essential, these snack-sealing bag clips help keep cereal, chips, and pantry foods fresher while reducing clutter from bulky storage containers. Instead of constantly folding snack bags or transferring everything into separate bins, the built-in pour spouts create quicker, cleaner access directly from the original package. The included adhesive hooks also help organize clips neatly when not being used. Small upgrades like this quietly make kitchen routines feel much smoother while saving valuable cabinet and countertop space, usually priced around $15 to $30. Coming up with a serious countertop cooking upgrade, this double induction cooktop combines powerful cooking performance with a much cleaner, compact design. Instead of relying on bulky traditional stoves, the portable induction setup heats quickly while offering precise touch controls and multiple power levels for different meals. The removable non-stick griddle also adds flexibility for pancakes, grilled sandwiches, meats, or breakfast setups without needing extra cookware. It's especially useful for apartments, RV kitchens, or smaller spaces where maximizing cooking functionality matters, usually priced around $100 to $200. Sliding into a fun kitchen gadget everyone instantly notices, this Fresh Pop Air popcorn maker creates healthier popcorn without needing oil or heavy cleanup afterward. Instead of microwave bags or greasy stovetop popping, the hot air system quickly produces fresh popcorn while keeping things lighter and cleaner overall. The compact setup also fits nicely into smaller kitchens without taking much storage space. It's the kind of gadget that makes movie nights feel more satisfying while adding a fun snack option that's simple to prepare anytime, usually priced around $30 to $60. Keeping things practical with a clever accessibility tool, this mount-on cabinet jar opener makes opening stubborn jars far easier without taking up valuable drawer space. Instead of struggling with tight lids or bulky handheld gadgets, the under-cabinet design stays hidden while providing strong grip support using its double U-shaped grooves. It works especially well for seniors, people with arthritis, or anyone dealing with slippery lids during cooking. Small kitchen tools like this may look simple, but they genuinely make everyday tasks faster and less frustrating, usually priced around $15 to $30. Moving into a major sink area upgrade, this pull-down waterfall kitchen faucet instantly gives smaller kitchens a more premium and modern feel. Instead of basic fixed faucets limiting movement, the pull-out sprayer and 360-degree rotation make rinsing dishes, washing produce, and cleaning sinks much easier. The 3-function spray modes also add flexibility for different kitchen tasks while keeping countertops cleaner during use. The brushed nickel finish blends especially well into modern apartment kitchens without looking oversized or bulky. usually priced around $80 to $150. Bringing in something perfect for homemade cooking lovers, this roller pasta maker makes fresh noodles feel surprisingly achievable right from your countertop. Instead of buying packaged pasta every time, the adjustable thickness settings allow you to create spaghetti, fettuccine, or lasagna sheets with more control and freshness. The dual roller and cutter system also keeps the process smoother without requiring complicated electric machines. It's one of those satisfying kitchen gadgets that turns simple ingredients into something that feels far more homemade and premium, usually priced around $40 to $90. Heading forward, this apple peeler slicer corer speeds through fruit preparation in seconds while reducing mess and effort. Instead of peeling and slicing apples manually with multiple tools, the rotating blade system handles peeling, coring, and slicing all at once using a stable suction base for support. It also works with pears and potatoes, making it more versatile for everyday kitchen prep. Gadgets like this make cooking feel faster, cleaner, and honestly a lot more fun to use, usually priced around $25 to $50. Quick reminder, if any of these caught your attention, all the product links are waiting for you right in the description. Now jumping into one of the most futuristic gadgets, this handheld food print pen lets you print custom designs directly onto coffee, desserts, cookies, and more using edible, food-safe ink. Instead of plain drinks or desserts looking basic, the portable printer creates logos, text, latte art, or creative patterns in seconds right from your countertop. The compact handheld design also makes it surprisingly easy to use in smaller kitchens without needing bulky equipment. It's one of those gadgets that instantly grabs attention during parties or coffee setups, usually priced around $200 to $300. Keeping the organization going with a pantry favorite, these airtight food storage containers instantly make kitchens look cleaner and far more organized. Instead of half-open snack bags and cluttered cabinets, the sealed containers keep ingredients fresher while creating a more uniform setup across shelves and countertops. The clear container design also helps quickly identify cereal, pasta, flour, or snacks without digging through cabinets. For smaller kitchens, upgrades like this maximize storage efficiency while giving the entire pantry a much more premium appearance, usually priced around $30 to $80. Sliding into a fun kitchen gadget for homemade cooking lovers, this dumpling and empanada press helps create cleaner, more consistent dumplings without spending extra time shaping everything by hand. Instead of uneven folding and messy edges, the press seals fillings neatly while speeding up meal preparation for dumplings, pastries, pierogies, or empanadas. The compact manual design also stores easily inside drawers without taking much countertop space. It's one of those simple kitchen tools that makes homemade cooking feel more enjoyable and less complicated overall, usually priced around $15 to $35. Coming up with a breakfast-friendly cooking upgrade, this egg poacher insert makes preparing soft poached eggs much easier without requiring separate specialty cookware. Instead of carefully managing boiling water and timing on stovetops, the non-stick insert helps cook eggs more evenly while fitting directly into compatible skillets or cookware setups. The compact design also keeps countertops less crowded compared to larger standalone appliances. Small kitchen tools like this simplify everyday cooking routines while helping breakfast feel a little more premium and restaurant style, usually priced around $20 to $40. Now let's talk about this undermount workstation sink. It transforms the sink area into a multifunctional prep and cleaning station. Instead of wasting countertop space with separate accessories, the built-in workstation design supports cutting boards, drying racks, and prep tools directly over the sink itself. The deep, single-bowl stainless steel setup also handles larger cookware more comfortably while creating a cleaner, modern appearance. For tiny kitchens and smaller countertops, maximizing sink functionality like this can completely change the overall workflow, usually priced around $300 to $700. Moving into a surprisingly versatile kitchen essential, this multi-purpose bench scraper handles everything from dough cutting to griddle cleaning without taking up much space at all. Instead of using multiple utensils during cooking or baking, the flat metal edge works for chopping, scraping, lifting dough, portioning food, or cleaning flat-top surfaces more efficiently. The compact design also fits easily inside drawers while staying useful for everyday meal prep. It's one of those simple tools that becomes surprisingly addictive once you start using it regularly, usually priced around $10 to $25. Flowing into a cleaning gadget that solves a frustrating problem, this bottle brush tube cleaning set helps clean narrow containers and hard-to-reach areas much more effectively. Instead of struggling to wash water bottles, pipe tubes, lids, or narrow neck containers with regular sponges, the long, flexible brushes reach deep inside for better cleaning coverage. The multiple brush sizes also make the set useful across different kitchen tools and drinkware. Compact cleaning gadgets like this quietly improve kitchen hygiene without adding bulky storage requirements, usually priced around $15 to $30. Coming right in with a fun dessert maker upgrade, this frozen fruit soft serve maker turns frozen fruit into healthier soft serve style treats within minutes. Instead of relying on store-bought ice cream loaded with extra ingredients, the machine blends frozen fruit into creamy desserts while supporting vegan and dairy-free recipes as well. The compact setup fits nicely into smaller kitchens without needing oversized appliances or complicated controls. It's the kind of gadget that makes healthy snacks feel more exciting while adding something unique to kitchen setups, usually priced around $40 to $80. And closing the lineup with a creative baking essential, this cake decorating turntable makes decorating cakes smoother, cleaner, and far more professional looking. Instead of awkwardly rotating plates by hand, the spinning turntable helps apply icing more evenly while giving better control during decorating. The included spatulas and decorating tools also help beginners create cleaner finishes without needing expensive bakery equipment. Even in smaller kitchens, compact baking tools like this make homemade desserts feel more polished, satisfying, and genuinely fun to create, usually priced around $20 to $50. That's it for the lineup of kitchen gadgets for tiny kitchen and small countertops, and honestly, some of these Amazon finds feel way smarter than they should for the price. From satisfying cooking upgrades and clever countertop organizers to compact tools that save time, space, and effort, this lineup was packed with products that actually make everyday kitchen life easier. And if you want to check any of them out, all the links are already waiting down in the description below. Appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.